Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your monthly Chase credit benefit on the DoorDash app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a Chase Sapphire Reserve and you want to go ahead and use your monthly benefit on the DoorDash app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to DoorDash. Next, click on your profile icon in the upper right-hand corner, then click on Settings, and then click on Manage Dash Pass. So first thing that you want to do is add your Chase Sapphire Reserve card here, and then make sure that it's active. Afterwards, when you pay for an item, let's click on View Cart, then click on Continue. When you scroll down, you could actually see that there's this toggle button that says Chase Monthly Benefit, which you just toggle on and off. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use your Chase monthly credit benefit on the DoorDash app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.